Gold intraday made new lower low last Friday after hot NFP number so much strong, higher than expected. Not just this month but last 2 month number revised up, which indicate rate hike fear. So many big banks they are saying hike possible. Previously only FOMC member were saying hike possibility before FOMC blackout. Now banks are saying. So that was panic selling, not just gold, everything almost at the same time going down. Stock, gold, Bitcoin, everything going down like currency divestment trade pricing out. But if you see price action, price making new lower low constantly every time it make new lower low, but RSI horizontal sideways not going anywhere like divergence trade. So if you make a list, Trump is like God, control everything, most powerful. He's panicking at a small player who buy or sell, but everyone from top bottom, small trader, everything, everyone panicking on gold. Not just gold, everything, Bitcoin, gold, everywhere, everyone is panicking. So before Monday market open, if price fall more, either gold or Bitcoin or stock, either all those three things, starting Monday market open fall more or one of them, still Trump will be panicking. But under same condition, either one fall or all of them fall, this thing will be extremely oversold condition. We can say minus infinity sentiment. This is the reason correction till 4450 area that is highly likely. Upside correction, technical recovery toward that level, very high chance. Because right now we are trading in final C wave, subdivided into 5 impulsive wave, first 5 wave, then sideways correction. Now it is falling once again in zigzag pattern. But still we are in final C wave. So it is testing lower trend of the channel, RSI divergence near 100% position below 5th June 61. Upside recovery very high chance. So Monday market open, either market fall more or Trump panic continue. Because best thing about Trump before Friday close, after NFP number, he confirmed he is panicking. SP 500 was going up in vertical line, all green candlestick, just one red color, and Trump is panicking. So Trump never care about gold price, but he always obsessed about SP 500. Gold is falling for so many weeks, so many months, but one candlestick red in SP 500, Trump is panicking. If Trump intervene in falling stock market, so minimum resistance level correction towards 4450 area, very high chance, technically possible. But if you compare intraday with higher time frame like weekly, you can see finally most important big support level 4500 broken. Next one, everyone's favorite $4,000 level. That was big static horizontal support level. This year gold gave up all the gain, red once again. So after this static support now broken, clear closing below support level verified by economic indicator NFP. So very high chance it will do correction, it will retest once again 4500 on weekly. Intraday it can do anything, but weekly only one resistance 4500. So more time, either price stay below 4500 or more it fall. Let's say starting Monday market open, more panic will increase and very high chance it do correction. I think NFP reaction and NFP number was so much hot. All the banks forecast, especially Trump reaction. I don't think we need PPI and CPI this week. I think NFP reaction was enough. Because CPI PPI come hotter than expected, same thing, we already trading on that information. So watch carefully upcoming time below 4500 in this support zone how gold react. But Monday market open till Friday close, very high chance either it do technical recovery or Trump panic do something. Because nobody believe warsh is Trump puppet. Trump avoiding the wars. So he never go against Trump will. He will never hike, even if he hike, because now he has a job. Trump controls so much power. He controls fiscal policy, all the war. He can reverse entire hike effect on economy in just one day. New Fed chair hike or not, but nobody can go against Trump. Nobody can do anything against Trump will. If you watch weekly time frame and notice one thing, after this red closing, weekly time frame is now highest oversold since October 23. Gold never have this much oversold condition since October 2023. Condition, market sentiment, technical, everything same to same like that timing. Long rate pause chance rising every day. FOMC member, banks, trader, everyone expecting a hike, and gold crashing like end of the world. Like gold will never go up, and before final low, everyone give up on gold. Big banks like UVS, TDS, they lower their gold target. Everyone, policymaker like Trump, big banks like UBS and TDS, small trader, beginner, they all panicking on gold. They all give up that gold can ever go up. Same sentiment are everywhere. Even you see gold or Bitcoin chart, same sentiment. So this is weekly time frame, very big. All big player, all long-term player watch. They must be panicking right now. So after closing below big static horizontal support level, I think panic selling, panic sentiment, I think it need upside correction. So this is the reason this is happening after long time, when higher time frame like weekly and intraday time frame like H4, they are giving same setup, they are saying same thing. Technical sentiment, everything minus infinity, upside correction, very high chance. So weekly first resistance is 4500, but H4 first resistance is 4450. RSI divergence, trend line, and final C wave, everything saying we are in extreme condition. Correction can start anytime. So Monday market open, some people will do the mistake. They will read news headline, they will talk to each other, they will panic each other, then they will sell on Monday market open. But before that, gold highly oversold. Even last Friday after strong NFP number, you can see trend line only testing but not breaking down. So trend line, that is your dynamic support level, testing last Friday, still holding, and 4450 area, that is first resistance. That is the support, that is dynamic, that is trend line, that is the resistance, static resistance. Now if you see daily time frame, big static horizontal support level after long time, price closing clearly breakdown, because daily time frame very big, closing below support level, that will create panic, but still price falling in a possible new pellet channel. This is fourth retest. Once correction start, everyone will wait for retest of upper trend line or 4580 area. Before that, market will not adjust, because if seller take profit, seller exit, then they will not return before either upper trend line retest or 4580, because current price area seller have risk of upside recovery. This is very strange, not happen every day. It shock everyone, but a rare condition when policymaker biggest of all Trump, because big banks, if they are not panicking, then why did they lower their goal target? Trader, they give up, they lost hope on gold. Almost all market participants, creator or consumer, everyone panicking on gold. More time starting Monday market open, it stay on current price area or more it fall. Either one of them, gold, or all of them like Bitcoin or stock. More, all of those things, banks, policymaker Trump and trader, they all will panic. So more they panic, more chance policy intervention. Based on timing, selling pressure, that means gold can stay down till June FOMC meeting. But panic is so high. Best thing about Trump, he confirmed before Friday closing. So panic is saying gold need correction, it must start correction before FOMC start. So daily time frame, pellet channel, upper trend line, and 4580 area static resistance, that is next setup. If correction start, bounce come from lower trend line after fourth retest, then 4580, that is your daily resistance. 4500 area, that is your weekly resistance. 4450, that is your H4 resistance. One by one you have so many resistance. Once correction start, minimum it will retest 4450. I think H4 have clear setup. You have falling Elliott wave, ABC zigzag pattern with lower degree sub wave and clear resistance 4450, a trend line. Everything is clear, and best part, policymaker buyer, that's been demand side, all are panicking on gold.